Ori Hedema, as far as I know, his blessed memory, he's a man I know too well. If I mean too well, I think I know him too well. Because we are part of the pioneers of the industry. Lord Mike has been there with Ibrahim in those days, before the coming out of living in bondage. Mike Ori Hedema is an easygoing person. Mike Ori Hedema should be regarded as one of the founding fathers of Nigerian Nollywood, alongside with Yorubas, who started it initially before us. It's because he has not been recommended. Otherwise, I don't see a reason why anybody should earn national honor. Anybody in the movie industry should earn a national honor without Mike Ori Hedema coming first. But it's because, I don't know whether I'll blame him on his educational status, or that he doesn't blow his trumpet, because Mike is not a noisemaker. Mike is a disciplined person, as I said earlier on. Mike is a producer, we all know. Mike is too intelligent, too talented. He wrote so many stories. Even when the movie was coming on, during when I produced Obiora, he wrote it for passion. And then it was just Living in Bondage, Circle of Doom, Taboo, Dirty Deal, Obiora, Ever Passion, that's it. That's it there. You know? So you see that he has been there. Before all these things begin to come into market, he has been there. Oh, but the thing is that he's not the kind of person who advertises just like some children we do today. Some people who are nothing, who have not done anything before. You see the person jumping up in the Facebook, WhatsApp, you know, blah, 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 and just name them. But Mike should be publicized by people, because his category, his standard in the industry is not one that should come and begin to advertise himself. He should be advertised by others. Mike is a good man. Till death, he should be mourned well, because if a lot of people, movie is putting food on the table of a lot of people today, he contributed immensely to it, at least 70%. And you can see that is not easy. So that's, I think, much I can say now to wait for any other question.
Okay, sir.
Well, I don't have much to tell them, but I also want to make them know that every legend goes quick. Every legend goes out. But they should be glad that they have a legend as father, as brother, as, you know, uncle, relation. They should be happy that Mike, a lot of people have died. Some died, but we did not see their corpse. Some died, they call them useless people. Some died and were buried and nobody knows. But Mike is a legend. Whatever that follows it, any circumstances around his death, God knows. But if God should allow him to stay as long as he did, to do all he has done, and he did not die, and until now, he came up. Glory be to God. I'll tell them to take heart and look at future. Mike might go away for something else, something bigger to come out from his house. Thank you. My name is Chimde Chiama, Noun Evangelist Chimde Chiama. I am from Nanda, Anambra East Local. Proudly from Nanda. I am the one of Nanda.
The one of Nanda. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.